Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how you can create your own community post on your own YouTube channel. So let's get started. So let's head over to YouTube and let me just open by clicking on my profile. We have this channel right here. And as you can see, this is the demo on my extra channel. So let's click on view channel here. And as you can see, we have only one video here. With no subscribers, obviously. So do we have the permission to post a community post? Absolutely, yes. Before, it was used to be a condition that if you have at least 500 subscribers, only then you can post to the community. But now there's no such requirements. You can create a community post now in the new channel as well. So let's go to the community tab right here. And here we have the option to publish, schedule, archive, post, archive, whatever. So let's click on this post and update to your fans right here. And now we can write something. For example, what would you like to see in my next video, whatever. So it's a great way to interact with people. You can not only just write here, you can create the polls out of here. So if you want your audience to vote on to something, different topics, let's say of your upcoming videos or some general knowledge, you can create a polls and you can use the images and text to create a poll here. If you want to learn more about it, you can check out the description for all the amazing tips and tricks on YouTube. You can also use some of the images here and you can post something like that. So this is the post. Let's see what other options do we have. If we go in here, we have the checklist kind of quiz to post to your community. So first was the poll, second was the picture, and third was the quiz for the community. So it's a great way to interact with your fans and friends out here on YouTube. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can create a community post on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, subscribe to our channel for all the future videos, and I'll see you in there.